I'm back again on another episode. I'm about to change the upstream and the downstream O2 sensors. So 2003 Toyota Corolla. Alright? Now, some of y'all might not have this O2 sensor remover. Like for this spot. You have to have it for this spot because you notice it's close. Right? I'm going to show you two ways of taking this off. The bottom is where it's at. See this? You put this over here like that. And you see that? It might work, it might not. So guess what? In this case, we're not going to use this. All right? It probably can be used, but I'm not going to mess with it. Okay. It's 4 10mm bolts. One here, one right there. I already took that out. And one down here and one down here. You're going to have to take them out. All right? You got to take them out. Next thing, you follow this wire. See that? That's the harness sitting right here. Unplug it. All you got to do is, it's a clip right here. You press that clip and you pull it out. All right? Now you got that off. We're about to take the sheet out. Don't forget, this wire is run between the sheet. So you got to get it up and then pull it up and get that sheet out of there. All right? Put that sheet on the side. Now we got full access to this. All right? What we're going to do is, now you can use that. If you have this, you can put it on there and break it. Or you could use a regular 22-inch wrench to get it off. Let me show you what I mean. There you go. You can use this end. What you got to do is put this through that hole, and then it will be on the socket right here, and then you could turn it and get it out. If you don't have that tool, all right, it's just a regular 22 millimeter. They also got another socket, this one, but we can't use that one, it's too tall. All right, so go ahead and take that O2 sensor out. Mine is already out, so I'm just gonna turn it and get it out of there. Boom. Old one is out, in with the new. All right. Let me see which one of these is the new one. Here we go. This is the brand new one. About to put it in. But look, don't forget, man, when you're putting this in, they come with a plastic right here. Take that plastic off. You forget that plastic on there, you won't get a good reading, man. So you get the new one and you start it back into that hole. This one comes with some anti-seize, if you see that. If yours don't have no anti-seize on it, go ahead and put some on it before you put it in. All right? And make sure this wire is not wrapping up. Okay, we're almost through. This is the Upstream catalytic Upstream O2 sensor. Now get your tool and we're gonna tighten this back. I'm gonna tighten it with this one so you can see what I'm doing. Just snug it, you don't have to overdo it, and that's tight. Don't plug it in yet until you put that shield back on. So we finna get that shield and we finna put that shield back in. Now you should have your O2 sensor back in tight and your shield. You route that wire back through it, and right here, go ahead and plug it back in. All right. Now, you remember I told you we take them 4 bolts out? You gotta go ahead and put those 4 bolts back in. All right. There's one here. Yeah, there's one here, and put all 4 of them back in. Okay, now you should be done putting them 4 bolts back in. Right here. Boom, boom, and right here. All right. So this shield should be on. You should already plug this back up. So guess what? It's the end of this video, man. So y'all can go on back and sit back and drink your beer and look at the next video coming out. This is the Upstream O2 sensor replacement on a 2003 Toyota Corolla LE 4-door sedan. All right. Holla. Next video. Oh, big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, Kibo, Dan, Cecil, St. Croix, the capital. To the next one. Massive.